In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. Error 0XC0000005 in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So first thing you're going to do is you want to go here to this PC, and then C, and go to Windows. Over here, you want to go to a folder called prefetch. So it should be all the way down. So let's see here. So here it is, prefetch. Click on it, and here are some files that you can delete because they are pretty much useless. So Control A to select them all and just delete. So these are unnecessary folders that you can safely delete. So once you delete those, you can go here and type in run, and here you want to type in temp and press enter. Click continue. So like I said, also these are unnecessary folders that you can safely delete. So Control A to select them all and then click delete. This will delete all of them. So once you deleted all the deletable files, you can now close this. Now you can go here, type in disk cleanup. Now here I recommend selecting everything. So this is basically will clean all unnecessary folders. Click OK, and this will delete all folders. Now there's another place where you can also delete unnecessary folders, and that is %. So here you would go here and type in run, and you would type in %temp %temp%, then press enter. Now here you want to select all folders, so Control A and delete. So try to delete any files that can be deleted. If you can, just skip it, and that should be good enough. Now you can close this down. Now next thing you want to do is go here and type in RSTUI. Actually, so you want to type in RSTRUI, and this you want to run as administrator. Now you simply want to go next, and here, if let's say you had more than one option, you want to choose the latest. So you want to choose this and next, and then finish, and this will basically restore your settings and any necessary data in your computer. So once you click finish, this will go and it might restart your computer as well. So once you finish this, now you want to go ahead here and type in CMD and right click, run as administrator, and here you want to type in SFC /scan now again, and this might take a few minutes to scan through your folders and files. So run it and wait for it to finish loading. So once this one is done, now you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS, and then you want to press enter. So this is /flush DNS, and press enter and wait for it. Once this command finishes loading, now you can close this down, and now you want to check your Windows update. So if you go to Windows update, you want to check for any updates, for any latest updates. If you are on the latest version, make sure you install the latest version. So once you're done with this, now you want to go to Windows security. Sometimes when it's the cause is a Windows security antivirus, sometimes that could be the cause. So I recommend trying to disable it, at least for at least for you to try to see if it fixes your issue. And if it does, maybe you should try to enable some of the antiviruses. So if you go here, you'll see plenty of options inside here. So you'll see them inside this place. You'll see options that you are able to disable. So try to disable this one, this one, this one, and see if this fixes your issue. And lastly, I recommend to restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.